guys, welcome to Shalu's Artistry. In today's video, we'll be seeing how to arrange a balcony garden. I have already done a video on balcony garden arrangement, but then the number of planters and the variety of plant was very limited. Now we have a variety of plants and planters, but we are going to arrange it in the same old space, same small space. So let's get started.
I'm going to arrange these planters from here to there. One side I have cleaned the place. Now I'm going to arrange the bricks and raise a platform to keep the planters. I'm going to place a cement sheet on it. And again add another cement sheet on it. This cement sheet is very strong and it can hold heavy planters also. So I'm going to arrange huge planters on it. So this side I'm going to arrange big and heavy planters along with plants that grow into trees. Now let's make space for the remaining planters as well. So let's clean up the space opposite to this and raise a platform with wood and plank. Here we are going to arrange medium-sized planters. Now again, we are going to prepare space for the miniature planters. For this, I'm going to raise a platform with toughened plastic sheet. I'm going to make it shorter than the cement platform so the plants don't hide the plants behind it. And also it looks neat and organized. On the other hand, I've kept tangled hard plants on the wall. I have hung water can planters next to it. This is a garden view from outside. These water can planters are spacious and it can accommodate a variety of plants in just one planter. I've also kept customized planters on the blue sheet. We have oregano, purslane, moss rose, centella, zinnia, desert rose, lantana, mosses in the cradle, pinwheel, canna, baby sun rose and so on. I have not made any changes with the Tyre Planters. I have just changed the plants inside.
This time I have made few changes in the balcony garden. I have arranged the planters in height order so it will be easy for me to water it, and at the same time I do not want one plant to disturb the other plant, so I have arranged it in a spacious way. Previously I had kept all my planters on the ground, so it was difficult for me to clean or sweep it. At the same time when I watered it, water started clogging around. So this time I have raised some cement sheets to keep our planters.
This is how the garden looks when we stand in the balcony. I've arranged the taller plants and trees on one corner so it won't disturb the other plants.
This way it would look neat and spacious. At the same time, it will be easy for me to clean and maintain it.
If you want to watch the same videos in Tamil, click the I button or the link given in the description box. Again, I've arranged it in such a way that these plants grow to a medium height, so it wouldn't hide the plants on the blue sheet. If you want to watch my previous video on balcony garden arrangement, press the I button to watch it, or press the link given in the description box. If you like this garden arrangement idea, give a thumbs up to my video and share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel for more such videos.